Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Megur, also known as Avi, and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the ordinary skincare product, that is the Argireline solution 10%. So this serum is actually claiming to show the results for the aging purpose, and it helps to reduce the appearance of the fine lines on the skin. It also says that it can reduce the appearance of the crow's feet. So if you don't know what is a crow's feet is actually the appearance of fine line in the corner of your eye. It actually looks like a crow's feet, so it's named after it. So the question arises, do you really have to buy this product, and is it worth spending your money? So I was going through the different ingredients present in it, so I'm going to disclose it one after another and what are its uses on your face. Without any further ado, let's just jump into the ingredient list and see what are the different ingredients present in this product. So when you look at the ingredient list, you need to understand that the ingredient list actually goes in a descending order. The first foremost ingredient is the dominating one, and the last one is the recessive one, which is like in a very lesser percentage. So the first and the foremost ingredient present in this formulation is water, and water is making up to 90% of this product, so it helps with the hydration on your skin. And also, if there is any humectant, it helps to bind to the humectant so that the humectant doesn't draw out the waters from the deep layers of your skin. So there is one thing, when there is a high amount of humectant in your skincare routine, it actually starts to draw out water from the deep layers of your skin, leading to more dryness. So due to this reason, the water is added the most dominating ingredient in most of the humectant product. But here in the ingredient list, I didn't see like a lot of humectant, but the second ingredient, which is the propanediol, is acting as a humectant, but its property is not as strong as other humectants. It is a bit less. But propanediol is an ingredient which actually goes deep into your skin and also takes the other ingredient with it. So it is like a delivery product which actually helps the delivery of another ingredient to the deep layers of your skin, which can show its efficiency into your skin. So due to this reason, it's like a vehicle. Propanediol is acting as a vehicle which is carrying another ingredient on it, and it is helping it to go into the deep layers of your skin. So propanediol ingredient is actually approved as safe in June 2018. Well, 39.9% of propanediol can be used on the leave-on products, which is like really safe. And over here, it is around like 10 to 6% in this formulation. The third ingredient is the Argireline peptide, that is acetyl hexapeptide 8. So it is a peptide. So peptides are nothing but a protein bonded compound where there is like 2 to 3 protein that is bound together, which is in a necklace cycle. Like you can see like 3 beads bind together. So they are very small. They can reach up to the deep layers of your skin and help to replenish it. So if you see the peptides, its main basic function is to improve the collagen level. So when you have aged skin, there is depletion in the collagen levels, whereas when you have a younger skin, you have a lot of collagen level. That's why your skin is so rigid and it looks plump. Whereas when you have aged skin, the collagens have been destroyed and your skin becomes saggy. So when you add peptide into your skincare routine, it actually helps to improve the collagen level. But this acetyl hexapeptide 8 is nothing else but a peptide which helps with the hydration and also improving the skin appearance. So there has been different studies on this acetyl hexapeptide 8, and in those studies it has been said that this particular ingredient actually improved the signs of aging. And we could see in those studies where the fine lines appearance had been reduced, and also the crow's feet. So that's the reason why the Ordinary came up with a very simple product, and they wanted to say that yes, if you apply this product, then there will be reduction in your fine lines. Just because this particular ingredient was used in the study, they came up with this product. So rest all ingredients in this formulation is used for let's say for the preservative purpose and for the texture enhancers, for the pH adjusters. So there is this one product here which is Gellan gum, which actually acts as a pH adjuster. So pH of our skin is 5. So any product that needs to work on our skin should be around that pH. The pH which is, let's say, 5, So more than 5, like 5.5, 5.6, or let's say 6 pH can work on the skin. But if it is, let's say 4, 4.3, it comes into an acid. So that's the reason why the pH adjusters are always added in the skincare formulation, so that it can be more than the pH 5, and then that can easily get absorbed and work on your skin better. Then there is potassium sorbate. So potassium sorbate is a chemical preservative, which is actually naturally derived. So potassium sorbate is a naturally derived preservative, so it helps in the improvement of the shelf life of the product. So it's a natural preservative, which is a plus, because there are some different types of preservatives which are synthetically or chemically produced, that is like disodium EDTA. Like there are some other preservatives that I am not a big fan of, but anyways, this is the natural preservative, which is again a plus for this product. This product can also be used in the morning time as well as in the evening time. So you can use it, let's say in the morning time, and then layer it up with a nice moisturizer, and after that please use your sunscreen, which is a must, because if you don't use a sunscreen, then even, I don't know, the wonderful solution for anti-aging still won't work, because sun is the major cause of aging. At the night time, if you're using it, don't use it with direct acids like vitamin C, salicylic acid, and that is just let's say to avoid the mixing and blending of the products, because that can actually lead to sensitive skin and also can easily trigger your skin. So avoid mixing it with direct acids. Just use this product as it is, like use only this product, don't mix it with any other thing. You can keep your skincare routine really simple. You can use the cleanser by the Ordinary, and then after that you can just apply 4 to 5 drops of this product all over your face and neck. Don't avoid your neck. And then after that you can just layer it up with a good moisturizer, and that is it. You just can see the improvement of this particular product and how it is actually improving the overall texture of your skin. So that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and this actually helps my channel to grow. And if you really love this video, make sure that you share with your friends and also knowledge them about the skincare formulation. So thank you very much for watching again, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.